Hello students, today we are going to thinking about the third standard English poem. The poem name is Bird Talk. Bird Talk. But students, you can sing it twice every sentences, okay? Things said the robin, things said the robin, things said the joy, things said the joy. Sitting in the garden, sitting in the garden, talking one day, talking one day. Think about people, think about people, the way they grow, the way they grow. They don't have feathers, they don't have feathers at all, at all. They don't eat beetles, they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting, they don't like sitting on wells and things, on wells and things. Ting said the robin, ting said the robin, ting said the joy, ting said the joy. Are not people funny, are not people funny, to be that way, to be that way. Students, you can sing it twice every sentences again, okay? Thank you.